as you can see, I'm not wearing makeup, so it is definitely a lazy day. I'm wearing my lazy day sweatshirt. I need to clean out my fridge. I have leftovers from Easter that I just need to get rid of, because honestly we're just tired of ham. So yeah, I need to get that out, clean out the dishes. I'm tired of having no space in my fridge. You guys have to see this. It's really bad. Alright, bear for it. It's just like, seriously, like there's no room for anything in my fridge. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, it is bad. So let's clean this out.
Setting sun approaches for its turn to rest. Long enough to promise all of us its best. Liquid blue and white, crashing through the night. Liquid blue, liquid blue, liquid blue. Setting sun approaches for its turn to rest. Long enough to promise all of us its best. Liquid blue and white, crashing through the night. Liquid blue, liquid blue, liquid blue.
So inside the fridge, minus the door, it does look a ton better. I still need to clean out the two bottom trays and then what's in the door. But this is everything I pulled out of the fridge, minus the kids' lunchbox. Okay, so it's much better. I reorganized these to things that we use more often. And then over here I have our like milk, our yogurt. This is the only area that would fit the tall condiments, so I have the condiment tray. I threw out some condiments as well that we just don't really use that often. And then our eggs, garlic back there, you know, stuff like that. And then I put what was left of our ham in a bag. And then, of course, Dean's guacamole dip, heck yeah. And then some sour cream and cottage cheese. This is my dad's tray of his things that we just don't touch. He can have whatever we have though, but I just want to make sure he has some of his own things. I have for our vegetables, a tray for that. These are just completely jam-packed of like snacks for the kids, but it's as organized as it can get. So it is much better. Still full, but nothing wrong with having a full fridge. Alright, so I hope that was motivating for you to clean out your fridge, reorganize it, especially after Easter weekend. Yeah, so have a great day, you guys. Thanks again for watching. Come back again. Bye now.